Python, most efficient way to get two Boolean property frequencies in a list of objects? I have a user object with two Boolean properties, like this. I have a list of those objects, called user_list, and I want to get a frequency count for how many objects have a equals true, a equals false, b equals true, and b equals false. My initial approach was to use collections.counter, but that requires looping through the list twice. I also thought about just using for counters, but that is ugly and doesn't feel Pythonic. Is there a more efficient way to do this? The output can be anything, for individual vars, a dict with the values, a list, tuple, whatever, so long as it has those for values in it. Thanks in advance.
Why not use two counters, and subtract from the length of user_list to find the other two values? a_false_count equals len, user_list, a_true_count. b_false_count equals len, user_list, b_true_count. Explicitly looping like that is probably the most efficient solution time-wise, but if you're looking for something a little more succinct code-wise, you might try filter.
I think using a collections to counter is the right idea. Just do it in a more generic way with a single counter and single loop.
You could use bit masking.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.